F6S Pricing explained what you get for your money. F6S is a global startup platform, but most people get this wrong. They assume membership or tools are expensive. The surprising truth is that F6S offers many free resources alongside paid services for startups and entrepreneurs. The free tier provides access to startup deals, funding applications, and community networking, which is invaluable for early-stage companies. You won't believe the paid options. Premium plans start at around per month and include advanced tools for hiring, investor introductions, and accelerator applications. Enterprise packages are custom priced depending on the size of your startup or organization. Most people get this wrong by comparing only base subscriptions. They miss the value of deals, applications, and curated resources that save startups thousands annually. In conclusion, F6S pricing is flexible and startup friendly. By understanding free versus premium features, networking benefits, and funding tools, you go from zero to pro in leveraging the platform for growth while optimizing costs.